Ohayo gozaimasu. We are checking out of this Airbnb.
I think we're all a little relieved to get out of this sketchy area. Even though the Airbnb was nice, the area was not. So walking home at night was a bit scary. Saw a lot of sketchy things, which normally you would not see in Japan.
Thanks for coming along with us as we head to the train station and bullet train into Tokyo. We are so excited to take the bullet train from Osaka to Tokyo. The Shinkansen is the world's first high-speed rail line, and we will be taking you with us as we travel along one of the most important and historic routes in Japan. Let's go. We need to make it down the stairs with all this luggage. Muscles! This is how we can eat so many onigiri. Lots of stairs, y'all. Lots of walking. Oh, it didn't go.
Put it in the arrow facing it.
We went to the wrong subway line. We need to go to a different station. The stairs that you saw us go down, we had to come back up. Getting a good workout this morning. Can be confusing, the train system here. Once you get to know an area, I'm sure you can figure it out. If we can, you can. So off we go to a different station that has the JR lines, which is very different from the subway lines, where we can use the tickets we bought to ride the bullet train. Here's the correct station, the Shin Imamiya. That's the station that we need to be at. Let's go. It's going to be quite the journey because we have 2, maybe 3 transfers before we actually get on the Shinkansen. How about some fun facts as we make our way to the Shinkansen, or the bullet train as many people call it. It opened in 1964, just in time for the Tokyo Olympics. And it was a symbol of Japan's post-war recovery and technological innovation. First train down, we're headed to the next one. We have to get in line to go up the escalator and make it onto the next train. I always say safety first, and the Shinkansen, they have a safety record. Since its inauguration in 1964, there have been 0 fatal accidents or injuries to passengers on board. The tradition in riding the Shinkansen, which is the bullet train, is to pick up a bento box meal to eat while on your journey.
Mom,
So we're gonna go pick some food up.
all these restaurants are bento box.
Ooh, let's go make our bento box. All around the station are restaurants to make your bento box. It's gonna be hard to choose what not to get. Before we get on the Shinkansen, we're gonna grab some food. And in Japan, that means we're about to experience the tradition of the ekibin. This isn't just any box lunch. The name eki means station, and bento means lunchbox. Each ekibin is a delicious culinary celebration of local culture, often featuring regional specialties from fresh seafood to local Wagyu beef. It's all beautifully arranged, as you can see.
Stop. How long is the train ride again on the bullet train? 3 hours?
God, we're 27? 37.
Platform 27.
Japan's railways are famous for their punctuality, and the Shinkansen is the gold standard. The average delay for the Tokaido Shinkansen is less than 1 minute. This includes delays caused by natural disasters. There's a nice area for luggage. Now let's get comfortable and enjoy the train ride. Ah, the bento box is a beloved part of the Japanese travel experience. We are more than delighted We are excited to participate in this culinary tradition. The modern Shinkansen line follows the path of the ancient Tokyo Road, which was a vital route connecting the old capital of Kyoto with the new capital of Edo, now Tokyo.
Can you take a nap?
The train offers a spectacular view of Mount Fuji, Japan's highest peak, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. To catch the best views, sit on the right side of the train as you head towards Tokyo. We are lucky enough to catch that view. The best time to see it is on a clear day, and especially in the morning. Unfortunately, we got a little bit of a cloudy day, but we were able to catch a bit of the mountain. Even though we are going at top speeds, the ride on the Shinkansen is incredibly smooth. This is all due to the advanced suspension systems and the meticulous design of the tracks. Technology in Japan. Speaking of technology, the Shinkansen is designed to handle earthquakes in Japan. It has an advanced earthquake early warning system, which automatically cuts power and applies emergency brakes to the trains, allowing them to stop safely before the seismic waves hit. This station is so huge, we don't quite know where to exit. There's several exits, so DC is asking for assistance right now. In our case, we are exiting the JR train line and needing to then enter the subway system. So we needed to exit in the correct direction to get on the correct subway line. We love Japan. We love many things about it. The traveling from destination to destination with all of our luggage is the not fun part, okay? Between all 10 of us and our luggage, we take up a lot of real estate. In Japan during rush hour, getting on the train is quite difficult. So we try our best to avoid the rush hour. We definitely get a nice workout carrying our heavy luggage down the stairs. And of course, when you go down, you must come back up. DC is again asking for assistance, and let me tell you, if you need assistance, they'll help you as much as possible.
Exit the other side, he said.
We exited down the wrong way, so we're going back up onto the platform and back down the other side. It's a learning curve, this whole subway system, but the people at the desk are helpful, so find somebody that can help you out and they'll help you out. They're really nice. Now we're going down the north exit, which is what we were told to do. Yep, it's gone. Ginza line. Oh, back down the stairs.
Platform 2. $3:39, so in 3 minutes. And 15 minutes and 4 stops.
We were incredibly lucky to fit on this train. It is tight quarters, y'all. Oh, it smells like Tokyo food. Does it smell good? Coming out of the subway. Oh boy. Hey, the rest of the crew is on the elevator. Welcome to Tokyo.
Cool.
We did it. We made it to our next area. And now it's time to go find our accommodation. Our bags are making quite a bit of racket on the concrete. Kind of embarrassing because it's so quiet in Japan. We've definitely drawn a few curious glances from passerby. We went the wrong way. Luckily, a nice neighbor helped us. And we're the next block over, so let's go. What's this down here? There's a bakery right down here. Nice. Technical difficulties. Slowest check-in. We really want to check in so we can go out and explore. We did it. We're in.
I can see them.
That's kind of invasive. What in the world? What? Why would he do that?
Top floor, baby.
Top floor, but then it's like, it takes an hour just to get out. Oh, look. Hit the button.
Hit the button, guys.
They can't even get in. They can't even fit in entry. That's how tight it is. How do they do these buildings?
They're just gonna wait there for
Wait, there's a picture.
Bye. Oh, the elevator takes us straight to our house. Tight quarters. Take off the shoes, put on the slippers.
These are my toenails.
Hi, oops, I keep turning this the other way. Welcome to our new home here in Tokyo.
Look at our view.
Okay, let's check out our view. Here's our kitchen.
Wow.
That looks like the washing machine. This is our view. We're in the city. Again, I accidentally swapped it around, so hello, let's go back around. Come on, DJ, work with me. This is the view from our balcony. We're on the 9th floor. That's the top floor of this building. We just came from down there. Okay, because I'm afraid of heights. Let's get back in and shut this door for quiet watch. Can't hear him anymore, can ya? Technology. Okay, welcome to our new home. This is it, the whole thing, the whole kit and caboodle. Very different from our last place, but that's okay. We have a table to eat at. You know, we like to eat, so this is where we'll eat. And we have beds to sleep in. That's all we need, because the rest is outside, y'all. Okay, looks like we have our bathroom sink right here to get ready for bed. We have 2 futons right there. Whoa, nice. We have a Japanese style bunk bed. I like this. This is stylish.
My bed. Mommy, that's my bed.
One up there, one down here. And then we have 2 here, 2 here, and then another Japanese style bunk bed. And that door slides. That's, ooh, nice. Depending on where you want your privacy. Nice, nice, nice. You got your stairs going up to the loft bed. And then over here,
On the ground.
there's cubbies in each bed with, of course, a charger underneath. Nice. Every bed has a charging portal and a little nightlight. We have all the towels there. Looks like some toothbrushes. Those come in mighty handy, especially when traveling on the airplane for quite some time. Here we have our tub shower area, Japanese style. We love this design. In fact, we love this design so much, we put it in 2 of our houses where the tub is in with the shower area. It's awesome. Love it. Especially if you have kiddos that like to take baths. They can splash all they want in that and it's not gonna matter because it's in the shower, y'all. Smart design. Oh, nice. You got your own little nightlight down there. This design is very nice. I do like it. This built-in bunk bed. Very nice. Again, I turned it on accident. Oh. All right, friends. I hope you enjoyed this travel video taking the Shinkansen bullet train from Osaka to Tokyo. Until next time, I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are in this wonderful world. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, we send you our love and appreciation. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Mommy, I don't get this. Mommy, I don't get this.